Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Flip the Cook, and today we're going to make some delicious buttermilk pancakes. To start off, I'm going to run through the ingredients quickly. Flour, eggs, a little bit of baking powder, not baking soda. That goes over there into the corner. We are going to use baking powder. It is good in pancakes. Then some sugar, salt, and of course buttermilk. You can't make buttermilk pancakes without buttermilk. We're gonna start out with the eggs. I already whisked it. We're gonna whisk it some more. Whisk the eggs until you get to this consistency. I added 2 whole eggs and 2 additional egg yolks. Whisk well. And then we add it into the bowl. It's nice. And then we're gonna mix out a 1.5 cups of flour, 'Too much. If you want it, could it be that doughy? It's still too much. Okay, now this is about time. Okay, about right. And now I'm gonna dish out on the baking. So you want about, and you need 5 tablespoons. Sorry about that. We had to find the tablespoon and teaspoon. Sorry about that. I'll need 5 tablespoons of baking powder. Move it out. Yep. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons. And then 5 tablespoons. And that's all we need from the baking powder. Set it off to the side with the flour. And we'll whisk it up quickly. It should be looking like scrambled eggs. I'm gonna add in the flour quickly. Get up. We'll need 2 teaspoons of salt. Sorry about that. 1, 2. I'll clean it up. Okay. Close that. We need our sugar. We don't need it to be bitter. We want some sweet pancakes, not some bland pancakes.
1/4 cup.
we need a quarter cup of it. And you sprinkle it in. I'm to whisk it up some more. Last but not least, 2.5 cups of buttermilk. If you don't have enough, it's fine. And I'm gonna use some milk and some lemon juice. That will add that acidity that some things need. Okay, 1.5 cups of buttermilk. It will help it be nice. Oops, I'll clean that up. And then we'll need to switch over to like a spatula or a wooden spoon. And then just mix until this consistency. It will be a little bit lumpy. Just keep stirring a little bit. And then we'll go over to the skillet. Grease it well with butter or ghee.
Or clarified butter.
Mm-hmm. And then you use a wooden spoon to grab a good clump of it. And then ladle it in. What? In the middle of it. Oh, that's the one on it. Then also we'll need to spin some more. Start to spread out more, which is very good. Okay, there'll be one. Yes, and when the bubbles start to stay, and the edges start to brown, that is a sign that it is ready to be flipped new. Then you flip it over. See, now that is a good buttermilk pancake right there. The pancakes are done. I'm gonna plate this one. Okay, then let's move over. I'll plate it, and then we'll head over to the bacon. Okay, guys, this is how I plate it. I usually add just a tad bit of maple syrup. If you have that sugar-free kind, you can add powdered sugar. It depends on what brand you have or what type you have. So yeah, I showed you how to plate it, so now we'll go cook the bacon. Okay guys, now I have the bacon, and the safety tip for you guys is lay the meat away from you so you don't get it splattered. It will come in handy later with a bunch of bacon grease laying around. But you don't have to worry about now, since there's no grease. So, yeah, we'll move. I'm just going to wash my hands quickly. Okay, guys, now that they're starting to shrivel up, I would recommend to flip it. I want this type of color that is on the edge. That it adds some delicious flavor. Watch out! It's starting to splatter now. So yeah, then so yeah, it's done. So I can cook it onto any preferred doneness, like very crispy, not so crispy, and up onto you, and let to know. So put that down in the comments and stuff. So yeah. So I would like to see your favorite doneness for bacon. Okay, now this is very done, and it looks delicious and crispy. Now we lay them down. See how crispy they are? That means they're perfect. Shake it down. Let it drip. Good. Quickly transfer it to a paper lined plate. Okay, now I'm going to plate it with the pancakes. Then we grab as much bacon as you want. I'm going to eat about 2 pieces. And so I plate pancakes and bacon. Thanks for watching.